OpenAI confirming plans to restructure its operations in 2025. It's going to be separating its nonprofit and for-profit arms. Now, the company outlining details in a blog post today, planning to create a public benefit corporation to oversee commercial operations and removing some of its nonprofit restrictions. The nonprofit will have a significant ownership stake in the OpenAI business. The company says that the move will allow them to raise necessary capital, and the plan faces opposition from, dare I say, Elon Musk. Because
Shocker.
It has faced opposition from Musk, among other figures out there as well.
The way I read this, of course, is two things. One, there's the broader, I guess, civilization aspect here. Here's a for-profit company moving really fast on developing AI technology, maybe without the proper guardrails in place. Now, can they continue to put up guardrails at the same time they're trying to make a profit, Brad? But number two, just from a pure stock and investing standpoint, this has to be good for Microsoft, has to be good for NVIDIA. These are early investors inside of OpenAI. Theoretically, this opens the door for them raising more capital. The company was last valued at $157 billion, last capital raise in October. That's double the prior valuation. Also good, I would think, Brad, for the broader AI trade. This profit motive may now have OpenAI, whether for right or for wrong, innovating even faster, causing other companies to try to catch up to what they're doing, causing maybe even faster chip development, and suddenly now you have the next potential tailwind for the AI trade next year.
Yeah, and in terms of Musk and how vocal he's been on this, I mean, even dating back to the summer of this year, talking about if OpenAI was infused within Apple's operating system, what steps that he would take to try and ban Apple and OpenAI on Twitter, on X, I should say, his platform. All these things considered, I mean, it comes at the same time where he's ramping up his own investments in XAI. Yeah. So any type of competition that we continue to see come forward. And we should also mention that it's not like he doesn't have partners for XAI. It seems like there's even more of a relationship that's brewing and solidifying between him and Jensen Huang as well here, as we've seen some of the images emerge of both of them together. So yeah, I think there are still some considerable partnerships that are yet to be netted out, especially as the application side of artificial intelligence and generative AI starts to formulate a little bit more.